Hey guys, welcome back to Data Products. Let's finish up our sentiment analysis of COVID-19 tweets from 3 countries in 3 years. We're going to finish up with word clouds. So we're going to make a visual data product, the whole point of this course, for these analyses. So this will probably be a short video, so let's go ahead and just jump right in. All right. I'm gonna put word clouds here, and I don't like capitals. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do library word cloud. We're gonna do tidy tweets US. You can pick Great Britain or Canada if you want. Anti join, and we're going to pick our custom stop words, and so we get Trump and positive out of there, because like I said, Trump has a, like, if you play, no one where I live plays euchre anymore. That's a big thing in the Midwest and Michigan especially, but playing a Trump card is a positive, trumping somebody, so that's where that comes from. And then positive, testing positive. Positive is a positive word, obviously, but testing positive, not so positive. So we got rid of that one too. Sort equals true. And then a cast word by sentiment. Value var equals n. So how big the word cloud is based on the number there is. Pipe down, comparison, cloud, colors equals C. You can pick whatever colors. I'm just going to do something boring like gray 20 and gray 80. Oops. And then max words equals, we'll do 150. And see how that goes. I had 100 on here, but we'll play with it. Hey! Oh, no. 150 is too many, because it's yelling at me. Let's do 100. Interesting. Some of these words couldn't fit on here. So, oh, I skipped ahead. Alright, we're going to go backwards. So this one we did the negative and the positive. So we have the negative words up here that are darker: virus, death, died, and then the positive words: safe, happy, free, protect, etc. We're going to do a simple one now because I skipped the simple one. So let's do tidy tweets US. And then we're still going to do the anti-join of our custom stop words, and then pipe down, and then we're just going to do count word, pipe down with word cloud, and do word and max words equals 100. Alright, so this is supposed to be above the other one. So this is just the simple word cloud where we don't have the negative or positive. So you can see when we do the negative or positive, things that are not common words don't get put in, right? So here our most common word is COVID-19 because we selected tweets that had COVID-19, right? But because that's not in the dictionary, it doesn't make it under here. So this might be a little more informative, and not have as many pronouns and things that are not in the dictionary. So COVID-19, obviously our biggest word there. Okay. And let's see, what do we want to do here? Let's look at one more thing. Let's see if we can do negativity by years. Bing negative get sentiments Bing filter sentiments negative word counts tidy. Let's pick Canada. Group by year. Summarize words equals n, lowercase n. And then tidy tweets Canada. Oops. Semi join Bing negative, so we're only gonna pick the negative words. Group by year. Summarize negative words equals and left join word counts by equals year. Pipe down. Mutate ratio equals negative words per word. Slice max ratio n equals 3. Then ungroup. Alright, so why do we do this? So let's run it. Oh, of course. Should be sentiment singular. Summarize spelled with an S. No? Wait. Oh, no. There we go. Oh, I thought I had it. Group by why is that not like that? Divide by words. Hey, there we go. So this just kind of gives us an idea. One thing to keep in mind when you're doing this, so when you look at these analyses, and if we go up, we have to go quite a ways up, like here. So this is a good example. So our count of these words. So you can see that our count for 2020, we have a lot of words, but by 2022, the number of tweets we pulled was a lot less. So if we were to focus our analyses just on negative words, we would say, wow, there was a lot of negative words in 2020 compared to 2021. But in reality, the ratio is what we want, because that adjusts for the total number of words that we pulled in general. So you can see that we had 2,600 negative words in 2020 but we also had 47,000 words total, which was way more, 3 times as many in 2022. So what we want is the ratio of negative words to total words. So between 2020 and 2021, we have roughly the same amount, ratio-wise, about 5% of the words are negative in our analyses. So that is a way that you can definitely, account for these differences in your sample size, to look at the ratios as opposed to looking at the actual the word counts in general. So, okay, that was a long journey. I hope you enjoyed this. Something different, and this is important. And so, this is a biology class that many of you are taking this for. You might say, okay, what does this have to do? It's important to know how people are responding and interpreting data. So in addition to making good data products, being able to see how people react to biological data, biological concepts is also important, because that allows you to adjust how you present your data, right? So we just did COVID-19, but you could do this for, vaccines. You could do this for, mandates, mask mandates. You could do this for lockdowns, all these different things to see how the public's responding. So this is a lot of public health and things like that in terms of being able to look at these concepts in a health perspective and determine what's working, how people are reacting. If people are super negative, we only looked at negative as our example, but if people are super negative about these things, they're probably less likely to follow the rules. You may have to adjust some of your policies and things like that. So it does have a big impact on public health, and being able to, it's an open resource. People are providing information and just putting it out on the internet, so it's a resource that we can easily tap into to be able to measure and respond accordingly. So that's it. That's all we're going to do. If you want to keep going with this stuff, the data's there. You can keep playing around with it and do more different analyses. You could try to graph it by year, pick certain words. You could do positive words, because we didn't really focus on the positive, compare the 3 countries, etc. That's up to you. If you have fun with it like I do, where I get stuck staring at data, then go for it. Have fun with it. But that's all I'm going to do. So if you like this video, if you learned something, please hit like, please hit subscribe. I get a lot of subscribers, but I don't get very many likes. So please hit like on these videos, because that makes my videos pop up when other people are looking for these type of topics. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. The next series of videos is Shiny, to make interactive apps that people can use to interpret your data. So we'll get more into the data products again, as opposed to the sentiment analysis stuff. This is just kind of a fun sidetrack. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.